Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the August 2022 Knit Crate. So let's jump right in. So if you look at the postcard, the theme for this month is Glass Future, a fast-paced, high-technology glimpse of a future shrouded in chrome and glass, a world reflected in buzzing lights and the faint glow of neon. And here are some photos that they use for inspiration for the month. And then here you have the different colors that you're going to get in this month's crate. So if you are part of the Knit and Crochet Club, you're going to get 2 skeins of one of those 3 colors. And if you are part of the Sock Club, you're going to get 1 skein of one of these 3 colors. You also have a link for the download as well as a double down code that you can use throughout the month. Now Knitcrate does have a few different options as far as monthly subscriptions. You can either do the regular subscription like I have, where each month you get 2 skeins of the featured yarn in the Knit and Crochet Club, or you can participate in the Sock Club like I said, but they do have other different subscriptions available. So if you want to just try it out for a month, they have something like that. If you want to supersize your order, you will get double the amount of yarn. So instead of getting 2 skeins, you will get 4 skeins of that yarn. So then if we look at the yarn really fast, here is the color that I received, and this is the Uru.Yarn Cotton Basic by Knitcrate. And the color I got is called Neon. It's 100% organic Pima cotton. It's a DK weight. It's 275 yards or 251 meters, 100 grams, and it is machine wash cold, dry flat, or tumble dry low. And this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. And it does look like it has a lot number, so if you are going to purchase this, just make sure that you have enough of the same dye lot number. And it looks like this is a pinky purple color, and it looks like half of the skein is that cream color or that undyed section, and then the other half is kind of that purpley pinkish color. So it's very pretty, and I really like this color a lot. The yarn itself is super duper soft. It's that Pima cotton, so it's a little bit softer than your normal cotton yarns. And as you can see, that these 2 skeins are going to be slightly different, but you still have that half cream, half purpley pink color. So very, very soft, very, very beautiful, and I can definitely see myself making something and wearing the yarn that you make with it. So it's a very wearable yarn. It's very soft, and again, I love the pigmentation of different colors in this. And then for our fun extra this month, we just get a nice pen, and if you pull off the cap, it has a highlighter, so that's always very nice. And if you participated in the subscription a few months back, you got a journal, so you can use this along with your journal when you're doing your pattern writing or you're making notes when you're going along in a pattern. So very, very helpful. And then if we look at the booklets, again, the theme for this month is called Glass Future. And here are again some photos of that theme that they used, and the Uru Cotton Basic, and it tells you a little bit more about the yarn. And again, if you are part of the Knit and Crochet Club, you are going to get 2 skeins of the color vibe. So the pinkish purple color is called Neon, which is what I have. The purpley color is called Glazed, and the minty green color is called Reflection. All very beautiful colors, and I would have been happy to get any of these 3 colors, although I am a little bit more partial to pink, as pink is my favorite color, but I would be happy to get any of these 3 colors, as I think they're all very pretty. And then if you are part of the sock club, you're going to get 1 skein of the Audine Wool Superwash sock. And the colors you're going to get are either Alert, which is that bright red color. You're going to get Xenon, which is that light cornflower blue. Or you're going to get Dioded, I believe. And it's that bright yellow, kind of like a highlighter or like a chartreuse yellowish color. And then here is a quick overview of the pattern. So you're going to get 1 knit and 1 crochet pattern for the Knit and Crochet Club. So the pattern on the left is a knit pattern, and of course the one on the right is crochet. You also get 1 pattern of knit and 1 pattern of crochet when it comes to the sock club. So you're going to have 4 patterns in total, which is a great deal. And then here's a close-up of that first pattern, and this is called City Lights by Rebecca McKenzie of Raging Whirlwind. And this is just a very pretty cowl. I love the colors of this, and I love the border that is on this. And the crochet pattern is called Veer by Brittany Garber of Not Bad Brit. And this is also a very pretty cowl, just something that you can wear over your jacket or just slip around your neck when it gets a little bit more chilly. And I really like that design as well, and I really like the pooling of the colors with this yarn. So I might have to make that. And then here is another photo of how you can wear that scarf or that cowl. And for the knitting pattern, you get Neon Rays by Ashley Ratnam. And I really like the lines going up and down these socks. I wish I could knit, but this is a very, very pretty sock. And here's another look at that sock. And finally we have the crochet version, which is the Skyscraper socks by Acro Crochet or Julie Sarah Desjardins. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrect, but this is a very interesting looking sock, and it looks like it goes diagonally. Very, very interesting and very, very cool. I love the texture of that sock. Here are some more photos of that. And then of course you're going to get a sneak peek at the next month's theme. So September, the theme is Western Sun, and here are some inspirational photos that they used. So it looks like you're going to get a lot of browns and blues and earthy tones, so I'm really looking forward to that. I really like the earth tones of the different yarns. So that is what is included in the August 2022 Knit Crate. Again, you're going to get 2 skeins of that yarn if you belong to the Knit and Crochet Club. Your fun extra for this month is a pen highlighter combination. And you get this very beautiful Organic Pima Cotton yarn in 3 different colorways. You will not be disappointed with this yarn. Like I said, it's very soft and it's very durable, and you can definitely use this for a wearable. So I'm definitely looking forward to making that pattern for this month's Knit Crate. So thank you so much for joining me today on learning all about the August 2022 Knit Crate. Please go ahead and click on that link in the description box below the video if you are interested in checking out the Knit Crate, or if you want to try out some of the different subscriptions that they have. I have a 20% off coupon code if you are interested. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!